Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to stop the running of the shortcuts that you have been created on your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your shortcuts application by open the app library, and in the search button you just need to type shortcuts, and then you just need to go click it. And now you need to go click the shortcut section. If you see here, there will be three sections, which are shortcuts, automation, and gallery. Now you just need to find the shortcuts that you have been created in the shortcuts section, and here you just need to find which shortcuts that you have been created. So let's say here I already created this shortcuts moments ago, and I will let to stop the running or the of the action. So here the thing that we need to do is just go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go my bad, sorry, you just need to go back. You just need to go click and hold the shortcuts that you want to delete or stop. So again, click and hold until there will be pop up the options about this shortcuts, and if you want to stop the running, you just need to go click delete. And now you just need to confirm that you want to delete the shortcuts, and the shortcuts are automatically removed from your shortcuts collection, and you will not gonna find those actions again into your phone. If you want to find them back, you just need to go create the new shortcuts or the new automations again. So that's the way, guys, how to stop the running of the shortcuts that you have been created. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.